Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a mask review from Innisfree. Watch on for more details. Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. I have come today with the review of a product that claims to control sebum production, absorb deep-seated impurities and help reduce pore size. So now let's see how this highly acclaimed product has actually worked for me. This product works on skin 6-in-1 pore care. Contract pores, control sebum, brighten tone, exfoliate, deep cleanse, cooling Jeju volcanic clay is made with the Jeju volcanic mineral from the explosion of Jeju volcano. It's an alkalicency resource categorized as a preserved resource and is effective in the removing sebum and other impurities. It caused strong removal of sebum through the super volcanic capsule as the capsule burst exfoliates any dead skin cells. AHA element helps chemical exfoliation and smooths out the skin. Strong absorption of sebum and cooling effect of the clay refresh the skin and contract pores. So now I'm saying that this product packaging, it comes in a sturdy top packaging which looks very good and it's travel friendly packaging. Now I will come to the part that how its consistency. Its consistency is just so thick like dried mud. It is extremely difficult to take out and which takes a good 5 minutes of vigorous mixing. The mask itself gives an instant cooling sensation even after 15 minutes. It does not become, dried out and does not crack like other clay masks. That's really good thing as it would not cause wrinkles or overstretch the skin. After cleansing, my skin feels soft and mattified. It does not dry out skin very much, but after a clay mask, moisturizer is always recommended. The Innisfree Pore Clay Mask claims to refine pores by absorbing dead-seated impurities, and this product is best clay mask and does not stretch or dry skin out, and this product is very reasonable price, large quantity that would last for a long time, free from harsh chemicals, cruelty free. So this product is very useful for our skin and this product suitable for all skin type such as